Get ready, EU iPhone and iPad users. Apple Intelligence is about to change the way you interact with your devices. How will these new AI features impact your everyday experience? Today we're diving into some exciting news for all you iPhone and iPad users in the EU. Apple has announced the rollout of its much anticipated Apple Intelligence, packed with features designed to enhance your device's performance and user experience. Whether you're a casual user or a tech enthusiast, this update promises to bring a fresh twist to how you engage with your Apple devices. Before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on the latest tech updates and tips. Let's jump right in. Availability timeline for EU users. In a recent announcement, Apple revealed that its highly anticipated Apple Intelligence will be available to users in the European Union starting in April 2025. This news comes as a relief to many, as the AI suite is already accessible to EU users on macOS. Apple's AI suite includes features such as writing tools and AI notification summary, which have been rolled out to English speakers in other regions. Official announcement. The announcement regarding the EU release date was made via a press release translated from Italian, which stated, in April, Apple Intelligence features will begin to be distributed to iPhone and iPad users in the EU. The news highlights the ongoing rollout of Apple Intelligence, which has already begun in macOS Sequoia 15.1. Apple delayed the release of mobile devices due to the regulations outlined in the Digital Markets Act, DMA, which specifically impacted iPhone and iPad software, multilingual support. Alongside the anticipated April release, Apple has announced that its AI suite will roll out in various languages throughout the year, broadening accessibility for users across the European Union. The supported languages will encompass a wide array, including Chinese, Korean, French, Japanese, and English variants for India and Singapore, Italian, Portuguese, Spanish, German, and Vietnamese. This diverse linguistic support aims to ensure that Apple Intelligence can cater to a broad spectrum of users, making the technology more inclusive and user-friendly. Additionally, Apple plans to introduce English variants for Australia, Canada, Ireland, New Zealand, South Africa, and the UK by December. This expansion not only reflects Apple's commitment to enhancing user experience across different regions, but also underscores its goal of fostering greater interaction with its products. As Apple continues to integrate AI capabilities into its ecosystem, users can look forward to a more personalized and efficient experience on their iPhones and iPads, tailored to their language preferences and cultural context. Features and device compatibility. The rollout of Apple Intelligence will be tiered, with the initial batch of features in iOS 18.1 already available outside the EU. These features include writing tools, live transcriptions, notification summaries, and more. The subsequent updates in iOS 18.2 and macOS Sequoia 15.2 will introduce additional functionalities such as ChatGPT integration, Genmoji, visual intelligence, and image playground. It is important to note that the new features will only be compatible with select devices, including the iPhone 15 Pro, iPhone 15 Pro Max, the iPhone 16 series, M series iPads, Max, and the 7th gen iPad mini. Apple's competitive landscape. As Apple navigates the landscape of AI technology, it faces increasing competition from other smartphone manufacturers that have already begun integrating advanced generative AI features into their devices. While Apple has historically been slower to market with innovative features, it often catches up with more mature offerings due to its robust ecosystem, which encourages user loyalty. The iPhone continues to be a significant revenue generator for Apple, contributing more than 50% of its overall income. However, there are concerns regarding current sales performance, particularly in China, where competition has intensified. Future prospects and market implications. Looking ahead, Apple Intelligence's success could signal a pivotal moment for the company, potentially driving the next wave of smartphone upgrades and bolstering sales figures. Apple has also launched the new Mac Mini, priced at $599, which includes Apple Intelligence features and is available for pre-order. With anticipation building for Apple's Q4 earnings report, investors are advised to keep a close watch on Mac Mini sales, as they could indicate future performance trends for the company. AI limitations highlighted by Apple Research. In a recent study by Apple researchers, it was found that artificial intelligence, AI models, struggle with fundamental mathematical concepts, proving they cannot truly think. In an experiment testing over 20 state-of-the-art AI models, including those from OpenAI and Google, the models consistently failed to solve simple arithmetic problems presented in a narrative format. For instance, when faced with a problem involving kiwis, many AI systems made the error of subtracting irrelevant details, showing a lack of understanding of context. Critical findings. The Apple research team noted that these AI models exhibited catastrophic performance drops when encountering complex language patterns. Unlike humans, who can discern relevant information from distractions, the AI struggled, leading to significant errors in their calculations. This aligns with previous studies indicating that large language models, LLMs, excel in language pattern matching, but lack true comprehension and reasoning capabilities. Implications for AI technology. As the Apple researchers concluded, the inherent limitations of AI systems suggest that humans must remain involved in critical applications to mitigate potential errors. This necessity for human oversight highlights a significant gap in the current capabilities of AI, emphasizing that these models cannot achieve the level of abstract reasoning innate to human intelligence. Furthermore, the study serves as a reminder of the dangers posed by AI's natural language capabilities, where misinformation can be presented convincingly. As AI technology continues to advance, users must remain cautious of the limitations and potential inaccuracies that these systems present. In essence, while AI offers powerful tools, it still requires human partners for accurate and reliable outcomes. Apple acquires Pixelmator, a potential game changer for photo editing. In a surprising announcement, Apple has acquired the popular photo editing app Pixelmator, which could significantly enhance photo editing capabilities on its devices. This acquisition, shared by Pixelmator via a blog post, is pending regulatory approval but is expected to be a formality, as Pixelmator is not a major player in the image editing market. Currently, there will be no immediate changes to Pixelmator Pro, Pixelmator for iOS, or Photomator apps, but the company hints at exciting updates in the future. The acquisition raises speculation about Apple potentially integrating Pixelmator's technology into its Photos app, similar to its approach with the Dark Sky Weather app. This move could effectively fill the gap left by Aperture, Apple's former pro-level photo editor that was discontinued in 2015. Many photography enthusiasts have favored Pixelmator over Adobe's offerings, thanks to its iOS-optimized design that takes full advantage of Apple's hardware. Should Apple incorporate Pixelmator's technology into Photos, it could create a compelling, cost-effective alternative to Photoshop, potentially offering users free advanced editing tools. However, this prospect also leaves Pixelmator fans apprehensive about the app's future. The acquisition indicates that Apple recognizes it lags behind competitors like Google and Adobe in native AI image editing and organization capability. With the growing demand for advanced photo editing tools, this strategic move may enable Apple to catch up quickly in the competitive landscape. As the integration unfolds, users are eager to see how Apple enhances its photo editing suite, making it more robust and user-friendly while maintaining the quality and features that have made Pixelmator a favorite among creatives. With the future of photo editing on Apple devices looking promising, all eyes are on the upcoming development. In conclusion, the arrival of Apple Intelligence on EU iPhones and iPads marks a significant leap forward in enhancing user experience and productivity. With features like smarter Siri capabilities, advanced photo editing tools, and personalized suggestions, Apple is aiming to create a more intuitive ecosystem for its users. As we've explored, these updates not only optimize your device's functionality, but also align with Apple's commitment to privacy and security. Are you excited to try out Apple Intelligence? Let us know your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech insights.